My name is Sariliani from Accounting Class 20A. Today I will presentation of about conceptual framework. The conceptual framework is a coherent system of internet fundamental objective and principles that from the basic for consistent accounting standards setting and explain the nature function and limitation of financial reporting and accounting. It is the theoretical foundation underlying the preparation of a presentation of financial statement for external user. In the historical context, a conceptual framework where the level to profit a logical and systematic basis for the development of accounting standard prior to the conceptual framework. The development of accounting standard was often ad hoc and inconsistent. The presence of conceptual frameworks help to create more coherent and principle-based standard. The main objective of the conceptual framework is to provide financial information that is understandable to users in making economic decisions. This information should assist investor, creditor, and other users in assessing the amount, timing, and uncertainty of the prospective future cash receipt of the reporting entity. The qualitative characteristic of financial information from an important part of the conceptual framework. The fundamental characteristics include relevance of current representation. Relevance means the information can make a difference in decision making, while a faithful representation means that information describe economic phenomena complexity, knownly, and free from error. Enhancing qualitative characteristics include comparability, verifiability, timeless, and understandability. These characteristics enhance the user pool of relevant and accurately represent information. However, enhancing characteristics either individually or as a group cannot make information useful if it is not relevant or appropriately represented. The element of financial statement in the conceptual framework include asset, liability, equity, revenue, and expense. Assets are resources that an entity control as a result of past events and are expected to generate future economic benefit. Liability are present obligations that arise from past events and whose settlement is expected to result in an outflow of resources and building economic benefit. Recognition of a financial statement element requires consistent direction of two character. It is probable to future economic benefit will flow to or from the entity and the in item has a cost or value that can be measured liability. measurement of the element involves slaving and overall measurement basic such as historical cost, fair value, or present value. The qualitative characteristic of financial information form an important part of the conceptual framework. The fundamental characteristics include relevance and correct representation. Relevant means the information can make a difference in decision making, while full representation means the information describes economy, phenomena, complexity, neutrality, and free from error. Enhancing quantitative characteristics include comparability, verifiability, timeliness, and understandability. And these characteristics enhance the useful of relevant and approximately reference information. However, as matching characteristic anything individually or as a group cannot make information user if it is not relevant or appropriately represent the element of financial statement in the conceptual framework include asset, liability, accounting, revenue, and expand asset are a result the an entity control is a fast event and are expected to generate future economic benefit. Liability are present obligation that arise from past event and was statement is expense to result in a outflow of resources and embodying economic benefit. Recognition of a financial statement element requires consideration of two criteria. It is problem probable that future economic benefit will flow to or from the entity, and the item has a cost or value that can be measurability. Measurement of the element involves selection and effort measurement basis such as historical cost, fair value, or present value. The concept of capital and capital maintenance are also an important part of the conceptual framework. The financial capital concept sees capital as a synonym for net asset or equity. The fiscal capital concept views capital as produce capacity. The selection of the overall capital concept by the entity should be based on the information need of the user of the financial statement. The limitation of financial reporting are also recognized in the conceptual framework. Financial statements do not provide all the information that users might need to make economic decisions. Financial statements how the financial effect of the event and do not necessarily provide non-financial information. To conclude, the conceptual framework is invested in the development of accounting standard and financial reporting practice. A good understanding of the conceptual framework assistant in the consistent application of accounting standard and the making of professional judgment in situations where no specific standard or interpretation applies. This is a presentation on conceptual framework. Thank you.